on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com doing another video on Swagbucks, a site that I love, a site that I really make good money with. You'll see here in the right corner, I have 12,541 Swagbucks. I'm going to cash that out today. Before I get into that, I just want to show you some of the things that I do briefly. You'll see here they have surveys here. And right now they're offering a bonus. Right here, bonus Swagbucks for a limited time. Your surveys have been supercharged with more SB, more Swagbucks. So the thing is, this survey right here, it's a minute long, right? A minute long survey. I love surveys that are under 5 minutes for one. It usually pays 62 Swagbucks, which is already good, but they're going to give you an additional 31. And you'll see here on all of these different bonuses that you can choose. I mean, all of these surveys, they all have bonuses on them. A matter of fact, if I go to the answer section and show you the full list of surveys, you will see that all of them have bonuses on them. So this is something to do a limited time, every now and then, just to put more money in your pocket, basically. You know what I'm saying? So you'll see here all of these surveys all paying out extra, all bonuses. So I mean, what I like to do when it comes to times like this, which is usually a few times throughout each month, I go in here and really hit the surveys hard, just because I'm kind of not really doubling my money, but I'm making extra money for sure with it. So the surveys here, you got to take advantage of those. Also, the Discover Wall, doing different offers. Offers, all it is just signing up for stuff, submitting your email, watching videos. I mean, just little easy stuff that you can do. When it comes to the offers, you just want to make sure that you're reading the description and what it's asking you to do, and make sure that you can complete it correctly, and you'll get credited. And a lot of times these surveys, I mean, these well, the surveys too, but especially the offers, I mean, you can make like $10, just doing stuff like submitting your email, or playing a game for a few minutes. I mean, so really, I encourage you to go through the offer walls that they have, and just kind of see if you can complete it. I mean, a lot of them may require you to do some stuff that you might not be able to do, but then there are probably more of them where it's easy stuff, just clicking on videos, watching ads, things I mentioned already. So definitely take advantage of the offer tabs as well. Like, there's plenty of things you can do here. I'll leave a link at the top for a full description on, if you want a full tutorial on Swagbucks, kind of a more in depth. But for this video, I'm going to kind of cash out. Before I do that, I want to show you the bonus. This is what I really love right here. So earn 70 Swagbucks and get 5. If I click on this, I did an offer earlier that was worth $10 exactly. So I've already earned $10. So I mean, it works. This is not from surveys. This isn't from referral bonuses, because referral bonuses, if I can talk right, because they don't even let you use referral bonuses for your I'm trying to say, for your bonuses. So it's like, if I get, let's say I get $30, well, not $30, but 30 cents from my referrals, that does not go towards the bonuses right here. So you actually have to complete stuff on your own in order to get this bonus. You see here, you earn 70 Swagbucks, you get 5 Swagbucks. If you get 790, they get you an additional 51. So that's a total of 56 Swagbucks that I will get. You'll see here on my streak, I'm on day 5 right now. And the bonuses that I've earned so far this month have already come out to $2.82, which is 282 Swagbucks. So that's just some bonuses, stuff I was going to do anyway. And, they're paying me that every month. I mean, every month I'm getting bonuses just for, using the site. So you'll see here things you can do: daily poll, magic receipts offer, deal of the day. You can give some Swagbucks daily, discover. I mean, these things right here, you can do 6 items, get 2 Swagbucks. Do all 8 of them, you get additional 7. You know what I'm saying? So I really love this site, just because the bonuses just continue to add up. So just make sure you're on this site. I would say every day, just go here and do a few things, just at least get the first bonus and get you an extra few cents or whatever on that. But now my favorite part is cashing out. So like I mentioned, I'm going to probably cash out $125 today. I'm going to get two different gift cards. And the thing about it is, both of them will be on sale. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So you'll see here these on sale rewards. This is what I love. I'm going to get this $25 virtual Visa gift card, but it's on sale, 2% off. So I'm only going to give them $24.50. They're going to trade me $25. I like that trade. And right here, I'm going to get this $100 Visa gift card. I don't have to pay $98 to get that. So I'm going to get both of these real quick. So basically, I'm going to click on this one. And I mean, it's very simple. They're going to just basically Just make sure you want to claim it. So you'll see here, it was 2,500, now it's 2,450, saving 2%. All I'm going to do is click on claim gift card. And you'll see you just verified your gift card. So very simple. They already have my email on file. So basically it'll take them maybe 2 days for them to send me the gift card. So you see my balance did go down. Now I have a little bit over 10,000. So that's about $100.91. So I'm going to cash out another $100. So going back to the reward section and going back to that on sale rewards. I mean, they have different things like PayPal and Amazon, obviously, but for me, I love to take advantage of the on sale reward just because, they're giving you more money than you're giving them, basically. So if somebody comes to you and say, look, if you give me $98, I'll give you $100. I mean, that's a trade. Just usually take 10 times out of 10. So I always take advantage of these virtual Visa gift cards. So again, they'll show you some stuff. And since it takes up to 10 days to deliver here, but it's never taking it long. Like I said, it's 2 days and it's sending it right to your email. So I'm going to click on claim gift card, just like the last one. And there you have it again. The money's on the way. Check your email for delivery instructions. So there it is, $125. It is on the way. I'm going to get both of those in my email, and I can just do pretty much whatever with those virtual Visa gift cards. So you see here, I initially had, I think it was $125.41 to begin with, but because of the bonuses, I have more than that. So really, I should be left with 41 cents, but because both of those gift cards were on sale, I basically saved $2.50. So I still have that on my balance and I can cash that out, in my future cash outs, obviously. But they do have lower cash outs. You only need a minimum of $1 to cash out on this site. You can get an Amazon gift card. They have PayPal. They have lots of different options that you can choose from as far as cashing out. So definitely take a look at the reward section fully. And this is a site that this is my number one get paid to site, my number one hands down. So I really encourage you to sign up for it. I will leave the link to it in the description. Completely free to sign up with it. So get started today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.